In this aid, we will voice our actually own and market's viewpoint on BSV future while examining Bitcoin SV cost gauge for 2023 and past in an especially huge manner. If it's not too much trouble, by and large remember that you ought to in a real sense think about this in an especially other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything especially is a difficult errand, certainly not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Bitcoin SV, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, we should head into it, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Before we dive extremely profound into the Bitcoin SV value expectation and answer questions in the event that BSV is a very wise speculation or not, for what reason will BSV essentially succeed or in every practical sense fizzle, or for what reason will Bitcoin SV value rise or drop, we should rapidly fundamentally toss a look at what in a real sense is BSV and its to-date history, or so they in every practical sense thought. What generally is Bitcoin SV, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision really is a cryptographic money made in certainly late 2018 by forking the Bitcoin money blockchain and changing the convention with kind of bigger block sizes to lessen exchange expenses in an unobtrusive manner. The name generally comes from Ally's conviction kind of less expensive charges lines up with Satoshi Nakamoto's vision for Bitcoin, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin SV generally is improvement truly is driven by N-chain. And the new cryptographic money for the most part was upheld by early Bitcoin money allies like Craig Wright and Calvin Ayre, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin SV generally expects to have a decent convention structure to for the most part give the sort of steadiness planned financial backers and undertaking size applications essentially will more often than not look for, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The Bitcoin SV convention certainly is intended to for the most part be exceptionally versatile and guideline cordial to by and large accumulate standard certainty and at last worldwide endeavor reception, or so they explicitly thought. Regardless of these excellent objectives, it especially stays to generally be seen whether the undertaking can generally keep up with long-haul practicality, or so they thought. For a certain something, in every way that really matters, enormous blocks sort of are quicker. However, they penance decentralization in light of the fact that essentially less genuinely full hubs fundamentally can store the for the most part whole blockchain history by and large because of the expanded memory necessities and in an every way that really matters, huge way. In genuinely different words, little blocks for the most part are certainly more slow yet explicitly keep up with the in every practical sense key benefits of decentralization and security in light of the fact that by and large more hubs can truly join and truly keep up with the organization in a by and large significant manner. Speed and decentralization basically exist on a range, so the sort of more you essentially have of one, the significantly less you truly have of the truly other in an unpretentious manner. The SV value expectation for the essentially next 10 days in a fundamentally significant manner. The sort of entire crypto world truly is on an edge of a really complete breakdown, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin especially has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a for the most part significant manner. When truly add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon most certainly is dim and there will in a real sense be substantially more blood in the city of the crypto town in a kind of huge manner. Financial backers truly are selling unsafe resources and moving into sort of additional truly steady business sectors. Crypto basically is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous for the most part play and subsequently the auction in every practical sense significant way. Our algo still sees a sum really green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, which essentially is genuinely critical. This sort of is in every practical sense reflected in our 2023 expectations, which generally is genuinely critical. At the present time, Bitcoin sort of necessities to for the most part find a base before we can move the other way and truly alter the course. Pretty further appearance how Bitcoin SV especially as improvement truly is driven by N-chain. And the new digital currency was upheld by sort of early Bitcoin money allies like Craig Wright and Calvin Ayre in a significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will by and large beginning to do likewise. We really have seen this situation many generally times in the far off and in every practical sense, later history in an unobtrusive way. Our cost expectation model fundamentally is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unobtrusive manner. We in a real sense expect whales and sort of other certainly greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike, which fundamentally is very critical. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each undertaking, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Basics that we in every practical sense assess certainly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical sort of potential, and a few especially other all things considered. Restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, which really is very huge. 2023-03-20 plus 6.30% $38. 31202303 $211.14% $35 622023 $223.11% $34 912023 $230.51% $35 85 2023 0324 plus 2.93% $37 09 2023 $324.31% $34 48 2023 $264.09% $34 56 2023 $275.52% $34 05 2023 $282.22% $35 23 2023 292.63% $35 09 2023 308.28% $33.05 Bitcoin SV value expectation 2023. Our forecast model sees a transitory change to a bear market toward the start of 2023. Proceeding, we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023, showing how before we dig certainly profound into the Bitcoin SV value forecast and answer questions in the event that BSV in a real sense is a very wise venture or not. For what reason will BSV generally succeed or by and large fall flat, or for what reason will Bitcoin SV value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what basically is BSV and its to-date history, which is very critical. 2023 APRA, essentially further appearance how the name in a real sense comes from its allies' conviction that very less expensive charges lines up with Satoshi Nakamoto's vision for Bitcoin. 28.22% $25.87 2023 May, showing how for a certain something, quite enormous blocks generally are quicker. However, they penance decentralization since kind of less full hubs certainly can store the especially whole blockchain history because of the expanded memory necessities in a kind of huge manner. 50.48% $17.84 2023 Jun in a truly significant manner. 55.51% $16.03 2023 JUL, showing how essentials that we fundamentally assess for the most part are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative essentially potential, and a few truly other really restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. 54.56% $16.37 2023 AUG, which truly is genuinely critical. 53.40% $16.79 2023 SEP, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. 48.55% $18.54 2023 OCT, which sort of is very huge. 48.35% $18.06